In this video, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to crop and resize a lot of images at once. Hey, my name is Neha, and if you're new here, consider subscribing because I'm here to help you create awesome presentations using very simple tools and animations. That being said, let's get into the video. Now here in the selection pane, as you can see, I've got about 10 to 12 images and I wish to stack them in rows and I want them all to look the same. Now the ideal and boring way to do that would be me selecting each and every one of them and going to format, cropping them to a square and then resizing them. Well, it's okay for one or two images. When there are this much, that's a foolish thing to do. But you're not a fool, are you? Because you're here. So, just select them all by this or just press Ctrl A and go to Format tab. And here under this picture layout, you see that? That's what I'm talking about. Resizing and cropping all at once. Well, some of them are not ideal for what you might be looking, but they are pretty good. See, a lot of them do a very decent job. So select the one you like. And if you want to stack them, so just try this, resize and do whatever you want. Just play with it. And once you're satisfied with the results, you can just close it. Once you're satisfied with the result, so I just like it this way, select this and either go to this design format tab and convert it to shapes and then ungroup it. Where is it? Ungroup it, or I'm going to undo this, or what you can do is press and hold Control and Shift and press G twice. That would ungroup these twice. Now I'm only left with these rectangles and I'm selecting these and get rid of these. See? That's all you gotta do. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to discover more wonders that PowerPoint has to offer. And I'll see you soon with another video.